everyone! Welcome back to IZ's World. It's time for a super fun animal guessing game. I'll show you two animals and you have to guess which one matches the question. Are you ready? Let's go! Which of these two bears is brown? You have 5 seconds. It's the brown bear. Great job! Which animal lives under the sea? It's the dolphin. Which bird can't fly? You got it, the penguin. Which animal has black and white stripes? It's the zebra. Which animal is the biggest? You guessed it, the elephant. Amazing job, explorers. How many did you guess right? Tell us in the comments. Don't forget to hit subscribe and turn on the bell for more fun quizzes and animal adventures. Only on IZ's World.